Today we are going to discuss about the NFT tanks project. So guys, this is a collection of 3333 unique Dodge tankers, and this is a new play to earn P2E NFT games where gamers can earn cryptocurrencies, and also they will get the NFT tokens through their gaming activities. Guys, in the NFT tanks, they are going to mint, and token sales soon will be open on November, so stay tuned. And guys, you can also mint it. So guys, in interactive P2E game farming and stacking utilities also, and also in this project NFT marketplace for platform. Guys, this is the video. If you want to know more about the NFT tanks, then just play the video. So guys, this is the several game modes will be available to you. So PvE, it's a PvE mode for your training, and a PvP mode is for winning the reward in battle in NFT tanks. Each player can block a certain number of NFT tokens to receive a prize for winning. The loser is left with nothing. Each player must log fixed as certain amount of NFT tokens to receive. So guys, in the team battle on a large P2 2v2 or 4v4 players map with a reward for the winning side, players will be able to collect and upgrade various Dodge tankers in order to earn NTS tokens. Guys, in the NFT, this is the 3333 unique NFT generated from 230 hand-drawn features, and also 5% of token will be distributed free of charge among all holders of the unique NFT collection. Guys, they also write that the owner will have access to all the benefit of the game, bonuses and gift. Mint will be open on November. Follow their Discord and social media channels also, so as not to miss the opening date of whitelist. Guys, this is the tokenomics of the NFT tanks. Guys, the total supply of the NTS coin are almost 10 crores, and they are going to distribute almost 20% in the farming, 12% in team, and in marketing and the ecosystem they are going to distribute almost 16%. In the liquidity it's almost 20%, airdrop 3%, NFT owners 5%, and the private sale and IDO they are going to distribute almost 12%. This is the guys roadmap of this project, so you can see the roadmap of the project. And guys, these are the support like every game, play earn, dab radar, play to earn daily, dab.com and game zero. So guys, these are the social links. If you want to contact with them, then you will contact with them through a Telegram, Discord, or on Twitter. So guys, we have also the bounty about the NFT. So guys, you can see that this is all they are going to almost distribute a good amount of coins, almost 10 lakh coins they are going to distribute in their this bounty, and this is just for 2 weeks. And guys, you must to join their Telegram channel, and if you have any type of question through about the bounty, then you can ask through their Telegram channel. So guys, the Telegram campaign, and they are going to distribute almost 200,000 tokens which are available for just the Telegram campaign. One stack per week they are going to distribute. And guys, you must to join their Telegram channel, and guys, this is the form. You must to complete the form if you want to join the Telegram channel. So guys, this is the Telegram form. So just put your BSC address here, post your authentication link, Bitcoin Talk or All Contact username, Bitcoin Talk or All Talk profile link, put it your Telegram username @ and put it your display name in Telegram. And guys, put it your first question, second, third, fourth and fifth question, and just click on the submit form, and you are going to participate in the Telegram campaign. So guys, in the Twitter campaign they are going to distribute almost 2.5 lakh tokens that just available for the Twitter campaign. So guys, you must to follow their Twitter page, and in your post retweet at least 3 tweets from the page per week, no more than 2 per day, and you must to put it these hashtags in your every post. And guys, if you have good amount of followers, then you will get good amount of stacks here also. And this is the form. And guys, this is the Discord campaign. You will get a good amount of coins if you join the Discord campaign and invite friends in their channel. So 5 to 49 invites, so you will get almost 1 stack. And if you are going to invite almost 200 plus people, then you will get almost 5 stack per week. So this is the form. If you want to join this the Discord campaign, then you will fill the form. And guys, in the video campaign, if you have good amount of subscribers, then you will get good amount of stacks here also. Guys, this is the website link, and you must to put the website link in your video description. And guys, video must be in English, and you will need to put your the NFT and have not less than 2 links to it in the description. And guys, the content must be unique. So this is the form. If you want to join the YouTube campaign, then you must to fill the form. And guys, the video must be at least minimum of 2 minutes long. And in article campaign, guys, if you write a good article which is almost at least minimum of 500 words, and guys, almost they are going to check your article which is unique. Almost 70% will be accepted, rest will be rejected. And guys, this is the form. If you want to participate in the article campaign, then you must fill the form. And guys, qualified article will get almost 1 stack, and the best and 3 block will get extra stacks. This is the signature campaign. If you want to join the signature campaign, then you must almost 20 quality posts per week, and minimum junior member will be apply, and you must wear the avatar. Minimum of 125 characters of the comment will be accepted. So guys, these are the rules. You must to read all the rules which is related with the signature campaign. If you want to join, then fill the signature form, fill this form of the signature campaign. And guys, these are the codes which you are going to use in your rank in the signature campaign. So guys, these are the codes, and if you want to join the signature campaign, then you must to put it the avatar here also. So guys, if you have any type of question, then you can ask in the comment. I hope you like my video. See you. Bye bye.